You're the one who wanted to do this.
Yeah, but like, don't go so close to my face.
Come on, I'm the paparazzi.
Okay, can you please take the car out onto the road?
No, we are gonna start in the yard. I don't want you to go and mess up other people's cars because you're in the road.
Okay, fine. Can I have the key?
No, wait. I'm gonna make sure this is in the middle so you don't hit the wall. So at least if you reverse, you can reverse into the bushes. Okay, guys. So basically, I'm letting my sister drive. I'll use my car, I guess. She just got her learner's license like 3 days ago, so she's pretty excited. I thought, you know what, since I'm gonna be a nice, good brother, I'm gonna let her, you know, do little things. She's only had one lesson, so... Oh, there she is. Damn it. She only has one lesson, so she doesn't really know much. I made sure I parked relatively in the middle of our driveway so that with the garage open first of all, so that if she drives forward she doesn't like crash anything. She drives backwards, like she has still a bit to go before she hits the wall. And I will be here with the handbrake. I'm so nervous. Ish. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Hit the like button if you support me. Hit the like button if you wanna see me prosper, because this is not just my channel, this is our channel. You know, this is nothing without you guys. So thank you for everybody who's here. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and hit the notification button if you haven't, and please feel free to leave comments.
Wait, is it recording?
I don't know. Oh my word, is that a wasp?
Where? Let's let it in.
Ah!
I'm just kidding. Why's your carpet so... Yes.
Don't open the windows.
It's hot.
Yeah, but then you're gonna... Okay, it's fine actually.
Okay.
I don't... No. You're not driving in flip-flops. I'm sorry.
Why not?
No, because you're new to this. Go wear techies.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Go wear techies.
I'd rather drive barefoot.
That's even worse.
Oh god.
It's slippery. You need to have some attraction, especially if you're new.
Please me. I'm up. Oh, believe me.
The gate is open.
Oh.
What did you do? What is that?
It was the seat. Because I hadn't locked it. I was adjusting it.
Oh.
It's so hot in the car.
And before you come in, make sure there's nothing around the car, because that's what they're gonna test you on.
Oh yeah, bottom, this, tire.
Just go get your... They can't hear you. The people can't hear you.
Why are you so scared?
Why are you so adamant about this?
No, it's time. Process.
Oh my gosh, this is happening. Oh my gosh.
My car. Your car.
Oh my god, please, I need you to do things slowly.
Okay.
Take your time,
1,
please.
2, 3. That blind spot shit. Clutch in.
Oh my gosh.
No. Relax.
You didn't even put on your seatbelt.
You don't have to put it. It's part of the learner's thing. You don't have to put on your seatbelt
No.
when you're reversing out of it.
I'm not dying in my car because of you.
When I had... Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, I'm holding on to things. Okay, I need you to take your time, please. Please.
Oh wait. There we go. You see that bump? Yeah, that's what I was
Don't do it
waiting for.
fast. Please do it slowly again. Please go put fully in and do it slowly. Your foot is not even on any pedal. Put on brake, please.
Yeah.
Hold in the brake. I need you to hold in the brake.
Why?
So that you can stay still in case something bad happens. Okay.
I don't know how slow you want me to do it. No, this is like really slow.
Yeah. There.
Do you want to?
It's fine. You're feeling the thing. What are you doing?
I stalled.
How did you stall? You let go.
Put my foot on the brake.
But you...
I knew you were gonna fight.
My gosh. Make sure everything's in neutral.
Yeah, this is up. I have to put this clutch in.
Yes.
Yeah, but then... Oh, okay, it works without the thing.
You thought the car had to be on.
Yeah.
This is why you're not ready to drive.
Is it on?
No. Yes,
not?
but not the motor.
Why?
We didn't go all the way.
Okay. I don't like that feeling.
Well, that's how a car works.
No, I'm gonna put the handbrake down.
Oh my god, we're actually going backwards.
No.
Brake. Use the brake. You can use the brake to control. You know that, right?
Okay, I'm not
Why are you stalling?
now I'm still okay. You just scared me, Neil. You're like, huh?
Because I don't want to
Relax.
die. And this is your first time. You didn't put the handbrake up.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's not in neutral.
Sorry. Oh gosh.
You're gonna kill us. Oh my gosh. You're lucky
still
there's
like a lot of space.
You're lucky I
There's
care
like a
about
lot
you.
of
You're lucky
space.
I wasn't like, let's go start in there. Tell me if we don't do this right now, we're stopping.
Aww. Can I go forward, rather?
Alright, yeah, it's better to start forward. So, come. You don't even need it. Okay, right now, don't check your blind spots. Everything's fine, we're at home. Okay? You know what's happening here. Okay?
Nothing's happening. Like, literally nothing is happening.
Did you break my car?
No. Can I switch it off?
Push it in. It's because you're neutral.
No, but the thingy.
Huh?
Oh.
What thingy? What are you pointing at? There's a mirror.
Oh, yeah, it was because I was in neutral.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Don't forget to use your brake.
Yes.
Yeah.
Third time.
In fact, put your brake in. Put it in. Is it all the way in?
Yeah, I can't.
Okay. Now when you push it down, then you slowly release the brake after you put this down. The handbrake. Now release the foot brake slowly. Yes. Okay, brake. Woo! That was not bad. Okay. Yes, nice and slowly. Nice. Hey, slow down. Slow down. You slow down. Slow down, please. Tembi, slow down. Just calm down, relax. Okay. Keep going. Stop.
How do you guys do this? Like, the garage is like, oh gosh.
Stop. Okay.
Okay, so
Handbrake up. Car in neutral.
it's the same thing back, right?
The thing is, right, you can still move forward while the car's in reverse.
I know.
And I don't want you to move more forward than it is now. Okay. So I'm going to put us back. Get out. I'm going to put us back. And it's pretty much the same thing, man.
But back.
Just make sure you balance that brake and the clutch, please. Don't forget you can use the clutch and brake. And you have to use your brake with the clutch, okay? Slow down. Yeah, okay, keep going.
Yeah.
Slow down. Yeah, just slowly. Don't worry, you're not in a rush. Okay. Keep going.
There's still like a lot of place to go.
I know.
Neo, calm down about this.
You calm down.
We're going at 1 kilometer an hour.
No, we're not.
Tembi. Neo, I swear Snail's travel faster than
Tembi.
this.
Okay, we're ready by the wall. Stop.
No, we're not already by the wall. There's
Tembi.
so much space.
There's so much space in front of us. Why don't you try to go forward?
I wanted to go to first gear.
You don't have that control yet. After 4th lesson, we can do funny things.
Oh my gosh, Neo, you need to calm down.
You calm down. Come on.
Can I go to first gear now?
Yes. Use the brake if you need to.
I will.
Use them together, like, woo!
Neo, relax.
I don't like the sound.
I don't like it either.
Use the brake. Oh my word, you stalled. You were putting your foot too far out. That's why I say use the brake to control the speed. Keep the foot one place and use the brake to go fast, slow. Okay. I wanted to do this advanced thing with you now, but now I'm not even sure. Okay, but we're going forward, so it's okay. So slowly forward and turn to the left. Turn. Just don't be afraid.
Wait.
Why? You don't need to indicate in your house. Okay, chill. Chill. A bit more to the left. Okay. Now go back to the right now, so you can straighten and line up. Turn. Don't be afraid. There's space. Okay. Straighten. Forward. A bit more. Yes. Okay. Stop the car. I wanna go see how straight you are. Take me! Why didn't you put the
I was trying to put this up.
You're supposed to put this in neutral first.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
It's so hot.
I mean,
it's so hot, man.
it's okay. Like, your lining up is okay. But get out of my car now. You've had your fun.
Can you go to McDonald's? I was promised yesterday gym, McDonald's, and driving.
Ah!
You failed to deliver.
Who said we're going to McDonald's?
You did. You failed to deliver on the gym parts. Now I'm already sitting in your car.
Go take a jog. We have a whole road.
Okay, now can we go to McDonald's?
I'm not going to McDonald's. I'm going to my friend's house. Guess there's Mac delivery. There's Uber
No!
Eats.
The problem with Mac delivery is now, I forgot my password. And
Start a new account.
even
So I do. There's Uber Eats.
Uber Eats is how much? You know I'm gonna get if I go to Uber Eats, I'm gonna spend hundreds.
Just order McDonald's.
You're on Uber Eats.
What?
They're not on Uber Eats.
Yes,
Why
they
would Mac
are.
delivery?
I swear, I use Uber Eats for McDonald's. For McDonald's.
If I go on Uber Eats and McDonald's. Do they have make delivery in Cape Town?
Oh my word, let me just end this video now. Thank you for watching, everybody. Say hi to the camera, Timmy.
Hi to the camera, Timmy.
Like, subscribe.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Yeah. I'll see you guys
McDonald's.
some other time. Probably next week. Bye.
It's not here.